Hello friends, let's make biryani masala today. Let's check the ingredients. Maize, nutmeg, jeera, black pepper, shah jeera, bay leaf, ilachi, fennel seeds, long, clove or red chilies, dhania seeds, bay leaf, and this is dalchini, maize, nutmeg. Let's dry roast all these products. First, add jeera, and धनिया,
पीछे कर।
After few seconds, let's add fennel seeds. So let's add fennel seeds, then shah jeera. Let's add all the ingredients one by one. Black pepper, clove, maize, nutmeg, dalchini, masala flower, bay leaf, ilachi, and finally red chilies. Dry roast all these masalas for few minutes and then we will grind it in the powder. Hello friends, let's make biryani today. I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and next 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's add split chili, green chili, then add chopped onion, now after saute this we are going to add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we are going to add some vegetables. I took green peas here. I am going to add this. Next I am going to add carrot and beans. You can add your best vegetables. You can add mushroom, sweet corn, whatever you like. You have to saute this for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to add capsicum. This is a paneer. I marinated it with curd and some red chili powder and a pinch of haldi, and you have to cut the paneer pieces and keep it in this curd for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to add some red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, and this is biryani masala. 2 tablespoons biryani masala. You can take as per your taste. If you want more spicy taste, you can add it little more. Now we are going to add some haldi powder, turmeric, Now we are going to give a coating of marinated paneer, which I kept in curd with red chili powder, turmeric and salt. Now we are going to give one layer of this. Now we are going to add a little fried onions. Few we are adding now and few we will add later. These are fried onions. Little more coriander leaves and pudina leaves. I am going to add basmati rice, which I have soaked 4 to half an hour, 45 to 50 minutes is fine. Now we are going to give a coat of this basmati rice. Now we are going to add this saffron, which I kept in milk for few minutes. As everyone knows how to soak saffron with milk. Take saffron and take a little milk. Now I am going to add few fried onions again. And a little biryani masala on the top. Now we are going to add pudina and coriander leaves. Finally, we are going to add some cashew nuts. Now we are going to add water. Ratio is 1:1.5 water. I am just going to pour from sides. Don't mix it. Now we will keep whistle